First Philippine-Indian Maritime Cooperative activity is considered a very successful one. All activities scheduled were conducted as planned. Everything went well. All the desired objectives of the unit of the task force were met.
Napansin namin sir, may dumating ng mga Chinese vessels sa kahapon. Ano ba ang mga ito at nakasagapan mo ito sa ginawa natin natin?
Actually sir, right from the start or pag-pull out pa lang namin, they were already monitored by our Philippine Air Force assets. And upon setting out for sale, we have already monitored them, processed them, and relatively their distance from us or the main body was far. So basically, nagawa naman namin lahat ng objectives and they did not affect at all. Hence, we were able to successfully complete the first Philippine-Indian Navy Maritime Cooperative activity.
And how do you characterize yung ginawa nila? Sa shadow? Gano'n ba sila kalayo? Ano bang ginawa?
Again sir, relatively they are far. So maybe they are trying to make their presence felt during the conduct of activity. But nevertheless, hindi naman tayo natinag or naapektuhan nung presence nila doon sa area. Bagkos natapos natin yung activity ng maayos.
Kaya kung challenge their presence or sila rin mismo nag-challenge yung presence na ano nangyari?
Since it is the exclusive economic zone, everybody has a freedom of navigation in the area. So there was no challenge but we processed them, we monitored them all throughout the activity.
Hindi naman sila nagsasagawa ng patrol, no? Kasi yun, nabawal sa loob ng EEZ, di ba? Kasi hindi naman, pwede ka lang dumaan doon, innocent passage, dire-diretso, expeditiously. But mukhang shadow tayo, tama ba? Bumubuntot sila, 2 days silang bumubuntot sa atin.
Throughout that 2 days, sir, they were along with us. But again, sir, they are relatively far from us, and we have been monitoring them. Tayo yung nagmo-monitor sa kanila, sir,
Okay.
actually, sir. Hindi sila, not the other way around na tayo yung sinashadow nila. We are inside the exclusive economic zone of the Philippines. So, nababantayan natin kung ano man yung galaw nila within our territorial area.
So there's nothing to worry about, sir.
Nothing to worry about.
Tapos sir, yung ginawa natin ng mga activities with India, ano ba yung specifically yan? Yung mga formation, nakikita na natin yan before. Pero yung parang dumikit tayo, ano ba yung nangyari? Dumikit yung refueling, ano yun?
Allow me to give an overview lang, sir. For the past 2 days, we had a joint maritime activity with India. So it was a series of complex naval activities, starting with maneuvering drills, anti-surface activities, and one of the highlights of which is the replenishment at sea. So during this replenishment at sea, the purpose of which is to prolong or mapahaba yung stay natin at sea by transferring specific provisions such as fuel, solid provisions, mga ganang bagay po, sir. So during nung conduct nung replenishment at sea, nung first day, nung 03 August, nag-conduct po muna tayo ng approaches. So this is a regular or doctrinal kasi kailangan muna natin mag-practice. And then on the succeeding day, we conducted the actual replenishment at sea, wherein we came as close as 41 yards doon sa supplying ship. So during that activity, sir, nagkaroon lang naman tayo ng slight exchanges of solid materials.
Tama, sir, hindi biro at hindi madali yung ganong level of efficiency and resource efficiency. So tama ba, sir, na kasi ganun kadali?
Yes, sir. Tama po kayo dyan, sir. When conducting replenishment at sea, it is not just a one-day activity. It is a series and deeply rooted na mga preparations, sir. So, it cannot be conducted na biglaan lang. So, talagang hindi ito siya biro, sir. And being as close as 41 yards from a supplying ship, marami pong pwedeng mangyari. Many factors to consider, environmentally, human, mga ganun pong bagay, sir.
So ito yung paghahanda, sir, sa possible na in the future, andito na naman ulit yung mga Indian, pwede sila mag-refuel sa atin in the future. Parang ganun ka.
Tama po. Actually, this is a great avenue for us to enhance our interoperability with like-minded nations such as India. So in the next iteration, either with India or other countries who wish to participate, bringing them with them yung mga oilers or similar platforms, we are ready, sir.
Tutulong sila sa atin. Okay, thank you.
Okay, sir.